The airplanes taking off from the world best Changi Airport. And if you look closely, you can see a building resembling a head, and that is ITE College Central. Correction, 55,000 people. And you're able to see it up close when we are approaching back to Paya Lebar for landing later. And for those on the right, enjoy the greenery provided by our Pierce Reservoir. It was named after Robert Pierce. As we make a left turn, we will now be over Jurong Island, which was formed by combining 7 offshore islands together through land reclamation. Not just that, it was done 20 years ahead of its schedule in 2009. Today, the size of the island is about 32 square kilometers. Was first refinery in 1961. And on the left, we are flying alongside is our Sentosa Island. The former British military base received more than 20 million visitors per year. Animals. And those cable cars running from Mount Faber to the island, they are the first in Southeast Asia.
Tables stowed, window shades open, and seatbelts fastened.